Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to find your headphones Huawei FreeBuds 5 if you lost it in your flat. So you have to start by open Huawei application, now click on your device, then scroll down a little bit and then click on find earphones. Now you can play a sound for a left one or to the right one earbud. So let's test it. I just click on it, play, and it starts playing music. Then I click to stop and it stopped playing. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.